Hey guys, hope you're doing good today. So in this video, I'll be sharing about my experience on how I built my first website to a client all on my own. Well, you see, web development is at one skill which is currently in the boom, and along the path of learning, I made a few mistakes which caused me a lot of problems when I built my first website. But as time passed by, I learned how to correct those mistakes, and now I'm comfortable enough to share those mistakes and solutions with you guys so that you don't have to perform the same mistakes and repeat it all over again. So, without further ado, let's get into the video. The first tip which I want to give you is that finding clients offline is a safer option than finding online. Now, many of you will disagree with me on this point. You might say, then why do we have websites like Fiverr and Upwork? Listen to my point. You see, it is highly likely that you'll find zero to no clients on these competitive websites. You will mostly find professional people over there who are searching for professional help rather than someone who has just joined the website and has zero to no experience. A safer route would be that you join some digital marketing agency, learn the skills of web development and marketing over there, then start finding clients on your own. But if you really do want to start independently, right from the get go, then all I can say is start finding clients in your locality or in your city. Now, I know it will be nerve wracking at first to approach customers in real life, but it has its own benefits. You see, a customer is more likely to develop trust with you when you meet them in real life rather than them finding you online. And apart from having greater rapport towards your customers, you'll also get to learn crucial skills, very necessary soft skills such as confidence, your negotiation, and how you deal with your customers. Now, I don't say that you'll just find any client in the city and they'll approve your request. Chances are that you'll have a good 10 to 20 attempts before you actually find some clients, but it is worth it. Okay, believe me. If you are really trying to start out on your own as your own independent agency, then this is definitely a good start because once you have this client base, they are able to suggest you to other business owners, and since they are business owners in nearby places, and they are also able to build good trust with you because they know someone who has already have their website built from you, and that is really good for your business as well. Now, once you do enough of these projects, you can then start applying for work on these online websites such as your Upwork or Fiverr or freelancer, you know better. Okay, this will lead you to an expansion in your audience reach, and this is, I think, one of the best strategies that I can give you at a starting line. Number two, never underestimate SEO. SEO or search engine optimization can be the difference between a good and a bad website. When I built my first e-commerce website, I came to know that I was not performing very well on Google search. Turns out that my content wasn't very SEO friendly or very interactive with the customers. If you ever find yourself in such a situation, remember that a non-SEO friendly website will lead you to having less traffic, and less traffic equals less sales. So, what's the solution to this? Well, obviously, you'll have to make your website more SEO friendly. How we can do it? Well, if you talk only on part of your website, then you'll have to make your website more user friendly or interactive, especially your landing page, because your landing page is your first impression on your customers and you would not want that to go bad. So, in your landing page, you must include a brief description about the type of products or the type of services which you provide. Make it filled with information, but not too much. And also give importance to the aesthetics of your website because that also counts for SEO. Secondly, what you can do is include SEO friendly content, and for doing that, you will have to know keyword research. Okay, so in keyword research, what you do is you find particular keywords for which your competitors are ranking for. Okay, those keywords are the ones which they are using to get their traffic, and and the traffic can be in huge amounts like 10,000, 50,000 or 10,000 a lakh searches per month. Now obviously you can't search use now obviously you can't use those keywords to rank for your website because obviously your competitor has the edge over there. But what you can do is search for particular keywords which they are not ranking very well for. Okay, and these keywords can be in the range of 1,000 to 10,000 monthly searches. Use those keywords, build content around those keywords for your website. Those customers who are visiting your competitor's website can also be directed now towards your website because you are ranking for particular keywords which they are not ranking very well for. And even if it's 1% of your competitor's audience, that 1% can be very huge for you. Okay, even though it can be less for them, it can be very huge for you. And this can, and slowly as you develop more and more SEO friendly content, you will see your audience steadily increasing, and this will lead to an increase in your sales overall. And the third and the most important point is to never forget to add legal pages to your website. Just because you have a website on the internet does not give you any right to share any kind of products or services up there. You are not even allowed to, keep up your website on a server unless you have a legal pages. Initially, I didn't give much attention to this because website development itself was a bigger headache to me than checking out these legal pages. But as I did my research, I came to know that if you don't have these legal pages, your website can even be taken down as well. Now, what are these legal pages I'm talking about? Well, usually there are three pages. One is your privacy policy, which discusses how your website visitors' data is going to be processed and used by the website owner. Then you have your terms and conditions, which is talks about the company policies or your policies and how your user will have to agree to your terms when they are trying to use your products or services. Thirdly, you have your refunds and return policy, which, like the name suggests, talks about the different refunds and return method available for your products or your services. Now, you can consult your client on how you can build these pages, or you can just generate them using ChatGPT. Either ways, make sure that these legal pages keep you on the right side of the law and ensure yours as well as your customers' rights. And that's for the video. I hope you guys like the video and you enjoyed hearing my opinion on how you can start website development as a freelancer and on your own. If you have any queries, just let me know down in the comments. So yeah, until next video, hope you are in good health. See ya.